Yes, students, very good morning to all of you. So we are doing 11.3 exercise and question number, I think, 5th we have to start with. Up to 4th question we have done. Let us start with question number 5th of exercise 11.3. Question number 5th. Let us read out the statement. Daniel is painting the walls and the ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth, and height of 15 meters, 10 meters, and 7 meters respectively. So let us write length, breadth, and height. So let us continue with the question number 5th. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall whose length, breadth, and height are given as follows. Length is given to be 15 meter, breadth is given to be 10 meter, and height is given to be 7 meter. And he wants to paint the walls and the ceiling of the hall. Walls and the ceiling, they are to be painted, right? So he says if from the can, each can paint 100 meters square of the area, and then how many cans will she need to paint the room? First of all, don't think about that how much capacity the tank is having to paint a certain area. First of all, let us see that how much area is to be painted. देखें तो सही कि कितना area उसने paint करना है. So if I am writing area to be painted, this is equal to area of 4 walls plus ceiling. I told you that in case of cuboid or cube, area of 4 walls, lateral surface area, curved surface area, they are one of the same thing. Curved surface area, lateral surface area, area of the walls, 4 walls, one of the same thing. So area to be painted is equal to area of 4 walls, plus area of ceiling. Area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Right? So if we are talking about area of 4 walls, the same formula we will write as we learned it for the curved surface area and the lateral surface area. And that is equal to 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. This is area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. I told you as far as ceiling and that bottom is concerned, that is including L and B. So what will be the area of ceiling? This is L into B. Area of ceiling, this is equal to L into B. So this is area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling that Daniel is going to paint. So let us replace the values. This is 2, L is 15 plus B is 10 into H is 7 plus and L into B, that is 15 into 10. So you will be having 2 into 25 into 7 plus 15. That is 50 into 7 plus 15. That is 350 plus 15. That means this is equal to 365. So this much area Daniel has to paint. This much area Daniel has to paint. Just a minute, wait. This is 150, sorry. अभी मुझे लगा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. And this will be 500 meters square. This much area Daniel has to paint, in which the area of the 4 walls and the area of ceiling, they are including. अब आइए जो वो कैन की बात कर रहा है, that the can is able to paint 100 meters square of area. How many such cans are needed if this much area is to be painted? It is just like that you can put 5, you can say, pens just wait, 5 pens in one. I'm just creating an example. You can say 5 pens in one geometry box. Many geometry box can be filled with 500. सपोज आप जो हो, आपके पास 500 पेन्स हैं, ठीक है, और एक ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स में आप जो है वो 100 सपोज पेन रख सकते हो. सपोज आपके पास 500 पेन्स हैं एंड वन ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स कैन कंटेन 100 पेन. So how many geometry boxes are needed to place these pens? One geometry box can contain 100 pens and there are total 500 pens which are to be arranged in the geometry box. So how many geometry boxes are needed? For that you need to do division. That is 5 geometry boxes. यही करोगे आप कि आपके पास 500 pens हैं और एक geometry box जो है वो 100 pens contain कर सकता है. तो कितने geometry box needed होंगे? तो you have to divide. Same concept I am applying here. The area which is to be painted, that is 500 meters square, and one can paint 100 meters square of area. So how many cans are needed? Let us see. So area that can be painted, area that can be painted with one can is equal to 100 meters square. Area that can be painted with one can is equal to 100 meters square. Therefore, total can needed to paint, total can needed to paint required area is equal to area to be painted, area to be painted upon area painted by one can. Area to be painted upon area painted by one can. Area to be painted is 500 meters square and area painted by one can is 100 meters square. Get cancelled. So 5 cans are needed for the purpose. If Daniel want to paint the 4 walls and the ceiling of the room, the hall, he must have 5 cans, each of which will paint 100 meters square of area as per the given condition, right? So this you can see. Chaliye, let us start. Question number 6. Describe. Question number 6. Describe how the figures on the right side, these are the 2 figures. How the figures on right side are similar, that means how they are like, and how they are alike. How they are alike and how they are different from each other. That means we have to tell similarity and we have to tell the difference. अगर हम इन दोनों में सिमिलैरिटी देखें तो सिमिलैरिटी इज दैट the two figures the two figures have the same height. The two figures have the same height. दोनों की जो हाइट है वो सेम है, ये इनकी सिमिलरिटी है. इसकी हाइट आपके पास 7 है and height of this is also 7. As they are having same height, so this is their similarity. And what is the difference? The two figures have different shape. The two figures have different shape. दोनों फिगर्स की जो शेप है वो डिफरेंट है, बट दोनों की हाइट जो है वो सेम है. दिस इज द सिमिलैरिटी एंड दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू फिगर्स, राइट? चलिए, नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन ही इज आस्किंग, which figure has larger lateral surface area? Let us mark it to be the figure number 1 and let us mark it to be the figure number 2. So we have to find the lateral surface area of both these figures and we have to tell that which figure is having the larger lateral surface area. Let us see for figure 1. Height, it is a cylinder. In bracket you can write height is equal to 7 meters. If we see the dimensions are in centimeters, sorry. So height is 7 centimeter. What is this? ये जो बॉटम पे मैंने लाइन बोल्ड लाइन करी है, what is this? Can anyone tell me? What is this? Kritika. Yes, Kritika, you tell. Yes, Kritika, speak up. What is this? Unmute yourself only then. हाँ जी बोलो.
रेडियस.
This is radius. यही तो बात है, यही गलती आपने करनी थी और ये मेरे को बच्चे करते हैं और यही आपने भी की. जयंत से पूछते हैं. जयंत, you tell.
मैम डायमीटर.
This is diameter. Very good. The total length of a circle from one boundary to the another boundary is called its diameter. So we are having diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. And Jayant, what will be the radius if diameter is 7 centimeter? Then what will be the radius? Yes, Jayant.
Ma'am 3.5.
Radius is half of the diameter. When you will half this diameter, you will get the radius. That is 7/2 and that is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So radius is half of the diameter. That I am doing like this. So diameter is 7 and radius is 3.5. चलिए, now we have to find the curved surface area or the lateral surface area of the cylinder. We know the formula 2 pi RH. Pi is having two values. Either we can take 22/7 or we can take 3.14, right? If in exam it is given that you have to take pi 22/7, you have to take 22/7. If it is given pi is 3.14, you have to take 3.14. But if it is not given, you can take any. I am taking 22/7. So this is 2 into 22/7. Radius is 3.5 and h is the height, that is 7. 7 get cancelled. This is 44 into 3.5. (154 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the figure 1. Let us find the curve. सबको पता है ना, the diameter को जब हम half करते हैं तब radius आता है. Radius is half of the diameter and diameter is the double of the radius, right? चलिए, so let us find for the second figure curved surface area. Second figure, that is a cube. So the curved surface area, this is equals to, cube के case में we know it is 4 into a square, where a is the side of the cube. So this is 4 into 7 square. This is 4 into 49. 196 centimeters square. As far as first figure is concerned, the curved surface area comes out to be 154, and the second figure, the curved surface area is 196. So he is asking that which figure is having the larger curved surface area. So you can compare and you can see 196 is greater than 154. So the second figure is having the larger lateral surface area, curved surface area. एक ही बात है. हाँ जी जयंत, what do you want to ask?
मैम आपने वो साइड में कौन सी कैलकुलेशन की है?
ये मैंने पाई की वैल्यूज लिखी है बेटे. पाई इज हैविंग टू वैल्यूज. आइदर यू कैन यूज 22/7 और यू कैन यूज 3.14.
ओके मैम.
चलिए. So you will write therefore cube is having the larger lateral surface area, right? So this is question number 6th. Let us start with question number 7. 7th question we are going to start with. Let us see. Closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 centimeter, height 3 meter is made up from sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? There is a closed cylindrical tank. This time it is given that radius is 7 centimeter. That's why I'm taking half of this 7. And height is 3 meters, 3 centimeters. Radius is 7 centimeter. Sorry, meters mein hai dimensions. And height is 3 meters. We want to find that how much, you can say, metal is needed to make this cylindrical tank. And it is given that the cylindrical tank is closed. When we are talking about closed tank, it means we are talking about all the faces. Right face, goal wala face, upper face circle, or niche wala face भी circle. That means we are talking about the total surface area of cylinder. So we will write metal of sheet required to make the cylindrical tank. Metal of sheet required to make the cylindrical tank. This is equal to total surface area. And we did the formula for the total surface area of cylinder, and the formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. This was the formula for the total surface area. Let us replace the values. 2 pi is replaced by 22/7, radius r is replaced by 7, h is replaced by 3, r is again 7. Right? So further, 7 and 7 get cancelled. This is 44 into 10. And this is equal to 440 centimeters square. So this much metal sheet is needed to make the cylindrical tank. Now keep one thing in mind. In question, nowhere is written that you have to use total surface area. This I am writing by just judging the concept of the question. You have to see that what he is asking. He is asking the sheet required to make the closed cylindrical tank. When it is closed cylindrical tank, then obviously he is talking about total surface area. Had the tank been opened from the top, then what you will do? तब यहाँ पे क्या formula लगता? Anyone? If the tank is opened from the top, then how much metal is needed to make the same? Can anyone tell me? Just think upon and let me know. Tanish. Yes, Tanish, you can tell.
Curved surface area.
कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया तो लग जाता, वो उसमें आसपास का हिस्सा तो आ जाता. तो टैंक है तो उसका बेस तो होगा ना. अगर आप किसी टैंक में यू वांट टू पुट द वाटर, इट मस्ट हैव बेस, इट शुड हैव बेस. इफ बेस इज मिसिंग देन वेयर यू विल कंटेन द वाटर एज वेल, राइट? सो दिस इज कर्व्ड 2 pi RH, साथ में बेस. बेस में क्या आएगा? बेस का एरिया क्या होता है सिलेंडर के केस में? एनीवन? Cylindrical bottle, just imagine its base is of which shape? कौन सी shape का होता है base cylinder का? Somil is raising hand. Yes, Somil, you can tell.
हम पाई आर स्क्वायर.
Pi r square. This is 2 pi r h curved, side वाला हिस्सा and नीचे वाला circle pi r square. Had the tank been opened from the top, the formula would have been this. But as the tank is closed, so you have to take the total surface area into consideration. तब आपने total surface area जो है वो लेना है अगर tank जो है open from the top है. But अगर अगर closed है, if it is open from the top, then you have to take the curved surface area and area of the base. Remember, this is very important observation. In the exam, you should read the equation carefully and should reach the conclusion accordingly. Question number 8. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeters square. Hollow cylinder. He is talking about hollow cylinder. वैसे अभी फॉर्मूलाज होलो सिलेंडर के अलग होते हैं, बट ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो उन अलग फॉर्मूलाज के साथ डील नहीं करता. तो अभी मैं होलो सिलेंडर आपके साथ डिस्कस नहीं कर रही. ये 9th का कॉन्सेप्ट है, वहां पे हम करेंगे कि क्या होलो सिलेंडर के फॉर्मूलाज होते हैं. यू जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट होलो सिलेंडर इज जस्ट लाइक यू कैन हैव आयरन पाइप. आयरन की जो पाइप्स होती हैं ओपन फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड, दे आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ द होलो सिलेंडर, राइट? सो व्हाट ही सेज lateral surface area of the hollow cylinder. I am making it with the help of paper. You can see this is the hollow cylinder which is open from this both the ends, hollow cylinder, right? So what he says, its lateral surface area, it is given to be 4224 centimeter square. Lateral surface area को हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is a curved surface area. ये वाला curved surface area इसको हम कहते हैं, ठीक है? So if we see this hollow cylinder, its lateral surface area is just like the curved surface area of the cylinder. बाहर वाला एरिया इसका curved surface area hollow cylinder का बन जाएगा. वो हमें दिया हुआ है 4224 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो whenever आगे क्वेश्चन पढ़ने से पहले let us see that whenever the question is regarding cylinder and we have to find certain radius, height, whatever, first of all we will write let r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder. So I'm going to write let r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder. Let r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder. Now what is given to us? We are given the curved surface area of this hollow cylinder. That means CSA is given to us and that is equal to 4224 centimeters square. CSA formula क्या होता है? 2 pi RH. This is equal to 4224. Equation number 1. इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बना के छोड़ दो. In the first step or in the first step of the question, whatever information was given, we are writing it accordingly. We are not using that. We are just managing. We are just writing it. We are just arranging it, and we will use it further. And we marked it to be equation number 1. This is our equation number 1. He says it is cut along its height. ये हाइट है सिलेंडर की, सीजर के साथ इसको कट कर दिया ऐसे ऐसे. हाइट के अलोंग और इट इज ओपन लाइक दिस. इस तरह से ओपन हो गया. ऐसे था सिलेंडर, हाइट के ऐसे ऐसे हाइट के अलोंग कट किया. यू आर गेटिंग दिस. When you have cutted it down along with its height, you get a rectangular sheet of paper. It is written in your question, in the question, that after cutting it along its height, you will get a rectangular sheet of paper that is in my hand in this form. This is the rectangular sheet of paper that I'm getting after cutting this cylinder along its height. Of width 33 centimeter. ये जो रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ऑफ पेपर आपके पास आ गई, जस्ट a minute, wait. Take one pen for explaining it better way. This rectangular sheet that you are getting after opening the cylinder, its width, it is given to be 33 centimeter. इसकी width आपके पास इस तरह से 33 सेंटीमीटर आ गई. Width has come out to be 33 centimeter, right? So further he says, find the perimeter, this rectangular sheet, you need to find its perimeter, and this is our question. Just a minute, wait. मैं अच्छे से इसको डार्क करके लिखना चाह रही थी. हाँ, see, this sheet, it is having width of 33 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, दिख नहीं रहा वैसे, चलो एनी हाउ मैं यहाँ पे बनाती हूँ. विड्थ ऑफ 33 सेंटीमीटर. ऐसे पेज था, ऐसे सिलेंडर था, ओपन हुआ 33 सेंटीमीटर. कोई मुझे ये बता सकता है व्हेन द सिलेंडर वाज इन इट्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन, व्हेन द सिलेंडर वाज इन इट्स पोजीशन, ओरिजिनल पोजीशन, ये जो 33 सेंटीमीटर हमारे पास रेक्टेंगुलर शीट की विड्थ बन गई, अब वो सिलेंडर के केस में क्या था? When this cylinder is opened, 33 centimeter become the width of the sheet, this rectangular sheet. And when the cylinder was in its original position, can anyone tell me what was that 33 centimeter? Yes, Tanish is raising hand. Yes, Tanish, tell us.
मैम हाइट.
हाइट, हाइट तो ऐसे है, हाइट के अलोंग तो इसको हमने कट किया और इसकी विड्थ 33 सेंटीमीटर खुल के आई, तो वो 33 सेंटीमीटर सिलेंडर के केस में क्या था? When the cylinder was in its original position, what was 30 centimeter? 33 centimeter in
Curved surface area.
No. Yes, Chiyant, you tell.
मैम डायमीटर.
डायामीटर तो बच्चे जो लाइन होएगी वो अंदर होएगी ऐसे सीधी, डायामीटर नहीं आप कह सकते. Let us ask from Pragati. Yes, Pragati, you tell.
हम circumference.
इसका सर्कमफ्रेंस काफी हद तक नजदीक हो आप.
मैम सिलेंडर का.
सिलेंडर के बेस का सर्कमफ्रेंस. देखो ये सिलेंडर का बेस है, ठीक है ना. बेस वैसे यहाँ पे है नहीं, पर बेस की जो डायरेक्शन है वो यही है. जब हम सिलेंडर के केस में मैं आपसे पूछूं कि ये क्या है, ये वाली बाउंड्री, ये बार बार वाली बाउंड्री, सिलेंडर के केस में ये बाउंड्री क्या है, तो आप कहोगे सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द बेस. और जब यही कट के ओपन हो जाती है तब ये बाउंड्री रेक्टेंगुलर पीस ऑफ पेपर के केस में उसकी विड्थ बन गई 33 सेंटीमीटर. जो 33 सेंटीमीटर रेक्टेंगुलर पीस ऑफ पेपर का विड्थ है, वो 33 सेंटीमीटर हमारे सिलेंडर के बेस का सर्कमफ्रेंस है, राइट. एंड यू नो व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द बेस ऑफ सिलेंडर? सिलेंडर के बेस की शेप क्या होती है प्रगति?
मैम गोल, मतलब
व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ द बेस ऑफ सिलेंडर? वेरी इजी, मैंने कल एग्जांपल दिया आपको, यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट. यस रिदम, यू टेल. Circle. Base of the cylinder is in the shape of circle. Even the top is in the shape of cylinder circle. So अगर हम कह रहे हैं कि 33 जो width बनी है हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल की, वो बेस का सर्कमफ्रेंस है. और बेस क्या होता है? सर्कल. सर्कल के सर्कमफ्रेंस का फॉर्मूला. Yes, Pragati, you tell. What is the formula for the circumference of the circle? Yes, Pragati. You're unmuted, you can tell. What is the formula for the circumference? Amarjot से पूछते हैं. Amarjot, you tell. what is the formula for the circumference of circle?
पाई आर स्क्वायर।
अच्छा, अगर सर्कल का सरकमफ्रेंस पाई आर स्क्वायर होता है तो सर्कल का एरिया बता दो जरा क्या होता है? Circumference of the circle, if it is you say pi r square, so what is the area? Yes, Tanish, you tell what is the circumference of circle?
मैम 2 पाई आर।
2 pi r। चलो, तो सबसे पहले तो हमें ये समझना है कि ये जो 33 सेंटीमीटर रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ऑफ पेपर का विड्थ है, in case of original position of cylinder, it was circumference of the base of the cylinder, and circumference of the base is in the form of circle, so its circumference will be 2 pi r. We'll write each and everything. I'm just giving you the outlook of the solution. Chalo, let us start it further. How we will write, let me tell you. So we'll write. So we'll continue tomorrow. Bell has gone. So we'll continue. You just do this activity at home with the piece of paper, and you will realize that when you cut this cylinder along its height, it will be a rectangular sheet of paper, and the width of the paper will be same as this घेरा, जिसको कि हम इसके base का circumference बोल रहे हैं. So this is all about today's lecture. So we'll meet tomorrow.